How to fix Google Maps not talking. In this video guys, I will show you the easiest way how to fix and solve this problem on your Google Maps. Just watch this video till the end. So now and first go and search for your settings of your phone. Here what's next, you have to go and open apps option. As you see, we found here all the applications that you have already on your phone. Search only for maps. Open maps when you found it like this, and then go to storage option. Here, what's next? Click on clear data, then click OK and go back. Click on, force stop here and click OK. And go now to Play Store, update your Google Maps, and after this go and restart your phone. After this your problem will be fixed correctly 100%. So guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.